Okay, now we're going to work on our green onions here. The same, if you notice, I emptied my waste bowl out because it was full from the squash and the peppers. So we're going to cut the ends off because we're not going to use these right here. This stuff right here we're not going to use. So we'll throw that in the waste bowl. And then we're going to cut small pieces of the green onion. And we can use pretty much most of it. Let's throw this. Oops. We need some room. So put that in there. And pretty much cut, you know, you don't have to get all the way to the top, but you can pretty much utilize most of this green onion here. That pretty much does it right there. So we'll just put that in our bowl. This is the bowl that we're going to use. Put this in the waste bowl. And then our white onion, like I'll show you the proper way or a quick way to peel this without sitting there with your fingers and trying to peel it. We're going to cut the ends off just like this. Throw that in the waste bowl. Cut this end off. And then, let's get this layer off here. We're going to cut a small little incision on the side just to, you know, get the first layer if we can. Turn it over and do the same thing. And then now all we have to do is just peel it away. It's that simple. That simple. Gone. So here's your onion. Now usually, a lot of times when I cook meals, I do my poor man's dicer, where I just cut like this, and then I cut across, and then I just cut down, and it just has, then diced onions are immediately there. So, but I'm not going to do that with pepper steak. I want to have longer pieces. So I'm just going to cut pieces like this, not too thin, not too thick. See? And then I'm just going to cut across, and you can just break them up with your finger and put them in the bowl, like so. Let's do one more, couple more rows here, like this. Just cut down the middle, and then you can just break them up with your fingers. And there you have it.